Khemika Amanchai Pipatgun. My nickname is Aqua. I'm from grade 6A. Today, we're here to present you about the microscope. Now, the microscope, as we all know, is an instrument that needs lens to increase or to make us see microorganisms or cells that are invisible to the naked eye. Now, the microscope has some parts that we don't know, but we need to know it. Now, we have these gears. The biggest gear near the arm is for increasing the distance of the platform. The biggest gear that is on top of the little gear is for moving the platform up and down. The lower gear, which is the smallest gear, that can make the platform move left and right. Now, when we use the microscope, we're going to get the lens. These lenses are very special because it includes microorganisms and cells. We're going to get one lens, as we already see here, that is already in the microscope. Now, we're going to look into the hole, right here, in the lens. Be careful. When you look in a microscope, do not close one eye and always open two. And if your eyes get watery, try and put on glasses because that means that you're damaging your vision. Bye-bye. This is all of the microscope. I hope you had a lot of fun and enjoy the microscope speech or the microscope place. I hope you get a lot of information. Thank you.